Okay, this is a WT box, WT 220CL, and you can see how many grams it is, 678.5. It's showing WT waste toner box due to be replaced on the printer, and this is one I emptied out. It says 678 grams. It's a bit weird, but that's what it says. This is a brand new one, 675.5 grams. So you can see most of them are pretty heavy, 676 grams, brand new. Okay, so we're going to remove both these covers. That one obviously is the new one on the left, the old one on the right, and see what's necessary to reset them. Remove the cover. This is the brand new one. You can see where everything is lined up. And here's the old one, just showing needs to be replaced. So there's not a great deal of difference in positions of everything. Okay, so this is a new one, and this is the old one. I'm about to remove that little cover there and see what the difference is between the new one and the old one. You can see the rollers, it's a different size and colour, same size, different colour. This is a new one with the cover removed. You can see the position that dial is in, and the old one with the position that dial is in. That's pretty weird. Both the same. Okay, so I've just sprayed a bit of cleaner on that roller, and it's pretty black, as you can see. So maybe it's the two contacts on both of these shafts are measuring the resistance, and as the dirt builds up, it changes the resistance. So let's get a resistance meter and check it. Okay, so we're going to measure the ohms. I've got this on the 200 meg range. And measure the ohms across here. Nothing. By the looks of it. Across here. Nothing. By the looks of it. Across here. It's short. Okay, and on the old one. There we go. So open. Open. Across here. It's open. Well, looks at later. Okay, it's receding into the darkness here. Okay, so across the ohms, 0 ohms. Across here. Jumping around a bit. Seems to have some capacitance. We go across here. It's just totally open circuit. Now I did spray that roller with some stuff. You can clearly see a coating on this brand new one. Okay, the old one, there is no coating at all. And the resistance across the right two terminals down there is a lot lower than what it is on these ones. So the trick here is this contact and this contact. They are a form of resistor. So to make them go open circuit, you just bend this back a bit so it doesn't touch. So that's going to pretty much mean that the coating on the roller is insulating it, so it hasn't worn out. And then the only thing that's going to trigger it then is this one here, which is the oh shit, I'm full and jammed up. So you need that one to function. But this one here, If you don't want to do that, you can just put a piece of sticky tape around that. And in fact, I think I'll try that. I'm going to test the ohms between the inside and the outside of this. It says 0. So that is actually conductive. It's pretty good. So just to prove the point, we'll do it on the other one. So what I've done now is actually remove that small roller that's on the stainless steel roller, whatever it is, because the screw here will hold all those connectors together. If you remove this one, it'll just fall out. It needs the spring pressure to stay in there, which will render the thing completely useless. So if you remove that roller, it will completely rely on the switch here, which is basically activated when it's jammed full. Alright, so we're just going to install this unit. Do it the right way around, eh? So all I did was remove that roller, a conductive roller. I'll put the rest of it back together and we'll check what the messages said. So we'll just close the top cover. Saying please wait. Yeah, fair enough. Because I removed everything, put it all back together again, goes through a reset. Okay, nothing. It looks like a few of my inks are out, but we know how to do that, don't we? We press the star key and reset the inks. If you can find the star key on the damn keyboard. Okay, as you can see, the error has gone away. It no longer says replace toner control box. Yeah, sure, I have a lot of crap that I need to replace everything here, but that's how you get the toner box working, the waste toner box working again after you've cleaned it out.